Benefits of peppermint tea. Tea is known to be soothing, sure, but what else does this widely available tea have for our body? Let's explore some of the medicinal applications of peppermint tea here. Fever. When we think of the sharp, cool effect of menthol, we don't always think of hot cup of tea. However, peppermint tea has menthol as a main component, so drinking tea can cause external sweating while menthol cools down your body internally. This can essentially break a fever and reduce associated inflammation and discomfort. Digestion. Peppermint oil and peppermint tea have been used for thousands of years to sort out a variety of digestive gastrointestinal conditions. Archaeological evidence actually shows peppermint being used for 10,000 years as a dietary supplement. Peppermint tea is considered a carbonated because it helps move gas through the body as it accumulates rather than causing bloating, cramping, and stomach discomfort. The tea also stimulates bile flow to increase the rate and efficiency of digestion and promotes healthy bowel movements. It is not only a carbonated but also an analgesic, so it reduces associated pain with cramps, bloating, and indigestion. This is due to its calming effect on intestines and smooth muscles of the digestive tract. Diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, and constipation can be cured with the tea as it brings the entire system to the optimal activity level. Nausea and vomiting. When it comes to being sick, few things are as unpleasant as being nauseous. Peppermint tea is an antispasmodic, so it reduces the chances of vomiting and nausea even in the case of motion sickness on a boat or plane. It also reduces stomach ache and queasiness associated with motion sickness due to its anti-inflammatory qualities. Respiratory disorders. As an antispasmodic, it can relieve you of irritating sensation that makes you want to cough, thereby exacerbating your respiratory condition. By relaxing the muscles of throat and chest, you can eliminate the symptoms of cold and flu. Immune system. Peppermint tea has antibacterial properties against bacteria which cause illnesses like fever, cough, and cold. Not only drinking this delicious tea can help you treat symptoms of being ill, but also prevents your body from getting sick. There are also trace elements of vitamin B, potassium, antioxidants, and calcium, which can help your body uptake nutrients to fight off illnesses. Bad breath. The strong mentholated flavor and antibacterial quality of peppermint tea makes it an ideal way of improving your breath. The antibacterial element kills the germs that leads to halitosis, while menthol in the tea overwhelms the foul smell and leaves your breath fresh and clean. Weight loss. The aroma of peppermint oil and its organic components can help control appetite, so it reduces overeating and prevents obesity. Stress levels. The natural sedative and antispasmodic nature of menthol helps you get instant relief from mental stress. The anti-inflammatory nature reduces your blood pressure and body temperature, allows you to unwind and relax, making your stress melt away. This is part of the reason why peppermint oil is so popular in aromatherapy, and the effects from peppermint tea are equally similar.